Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, TJ's Life, and I am TJ. Today I will be coming back, well, today is payday, so I wanted to kind of go over how I'm going to set up my expenses out of this paycheck. Just give me a second here. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm just going to jump right on in. If you're a new viewer, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So let's just go ahead and get this set up because I just want to get into it before I have to get ready for work. So this is for my paycheck for December the 13th today. And I'm going to go ahead and set this up. At least put the numbers in best as I can remember what they are. So here, first, the income section. I have a rollover of $35. I'm not for sure what my paycheck is going to be, because my 4-year anniversary just came and I should be getting a raise, but we don't know. So we're just going to go off of what I received out of my last paycheck, or what the most common amount is. So it's $989.88. Sorry, I have to tilt my page here. And then what I am expecting for my boyfriend's half of the bills, and other $200. Okay, so let me pull my calculator here. All right, hold on. I have stuff here that's kind of like in my way. I rearranged my office space, but I didn't think that I would be this far away from where I want to sit. So just give me a second here. Okay, that's better. Alright, so I'm going to total these numbers up here. So 35, and I hope you guys can see this. 989.88, 214.68, and 200 equals 1439.56. Okay. And then as far as my fixed expenses, so Spectrum is due, my Google Play is due, my Max is due, Dish is going to be due, and that's, I'm guessing it's about $215.63. Amazon Prime is due, and then I have to pay this Cash App back. Water bill, I'm budgeting $83.15. Gas, $72.85. Electric, $57.77. And then for groceries, see, we got Christmas coming up. I don't get paid till after Christmas. So for this is just what I'm going to budget. I'm going to guesstimate. Miscellaneous, about 100. I'm saying I'm budgeted 50. Eating out, hopefully nothing. So I'm going to put 0 for that. This is where I put my cash envelopes. I'm not sure if I'm going to add anything to that. So we're not going to worry about this part. We're not going to worry about this, and we're not going to worry about that. I'm just going to total up these columns here. So, let's see, 30, okay, 5, 33, 1707, 215, 16, 210, 494. Oh, that's not right. Hold on, let me do that again. Okay, it was right. 494.03. This is awkward for me. Hold on. 494.03. And then, I'm sorry, I have to do tilt my paper. Okay, so water. Okay, 563.77. Keep in mind, this is just, what I'm budgeting out. It may not even be this. It could be higher, it could be lower. I'm trying to think, do I have anything else to add here? I don't think I do. So, this is what you do. 1439.56 minus 494.3 equals 945.53. Then you bring this amount here, 945.53. And I'm going to subtract this from this, minus 563.77, 381.76. Excuse me. So that's what I have budgeted as of right now for my paycheck, what I'm going to be paying out my paycheck. And like I said, it could be higher, it could be lower. We won't know until I get it and I start paying the things. But I just wanted to come on here real quick, show you guys that I'm trying to get into recording more videos. So we're gonna start off with this for this month. I'm trying to see something. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to see something. So put this page back here. And I believe I have all of this. See, yesterday was the 12th. I did go to the grocery store though. I'm gonna have to fill this in later because I don't have the receipt from yesterday. But I know I went to the grocery store, so I'm just gonna put this here and I'll plug in the numbers later. But I know it was about 80 something dollars. Okay, that's it for now. If you stay to the end, thank you so much. I'm sorry, this is just a very quick and short video. I just wanted to try to get another video, trying to figure out a time. What's the best time for me to record videos? So yeah, so if you like this video and you stay to the end, thank you so much. And if you're new and wish to follow me on my budgeting journey, just go ahead and hit that notification bell one more time so that you can receive a notification every time I post a new video. So until next time, bye bye.